Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amar Ilahi Lone, and I will be teaching the course Islamic Concepts Through Prophets' Stories. This course is designed to introduce children to basic religious concepts and to make it more interesting for our young learners. Lives of the prophets of Allah will be introduced. Through these stories, children will learn about Islam and understand, appreciate, and will be encouraged to apply the message and morals inherent in the lives and struggles of prophets. As far as the objectives of the course are concerned, we are hoping that by the end of this course, students will be aware of all the prophets introduced by the Quran, brief biographies of those prophets, and the basic ideas of theology, wisdom, and morality through the lives of the prophets.